have the cupcakes in the oven for my coffee s'mores cupcakes. I'm going to make the icing next. Yeah, I got the recipe from Dessert for Two, so it only made 4 cupcakes because there are 4 people in this house, and I don't need any more than 1, you know, because I would eat, if they turn out really well, I have no self-control and I would just eat all of them. But the batter's really good, so cheers to Dessert for Two. I used cake flour, so I think I had to add a bit more flour. I don't know, so hopefully they turn out good. So I don't have a candy thermometer. I am trying to make homemade fluff. I think I failed, and I may have just ruined 2 pots. The cupcake went really well. The fluff, not so much. I don't even know if I've had fluff, but I know it's not supposed to be a tan color. The syrup was too hot, so this is definitely like when you bite into it, it's just gonna stay all over yourself. But I mean, it looks good. I put chocolate chips in there as well. It has the burnt taste like a marshmallow, so you know, maybe I stumbled onto something great. It looks dope. It's gonna be a bitch to clean. I don't even know how I'm gonna store that. I was gonna pipe it. No. Feel like, look how much stayed on. I was gonna put extra graham crackers in, but I decided to use all the graham crackers that I had. I mean, this is not how I wanted it to look. How it looked in my head looks beautiful. It's actually pretty fucking good. Happy little accidents.